Hey guys, this is Data Cube. It's Frank. Today let's talk about 5S. 5S is a technique that helps us to maintain a very good workplace. This kind of good workplace can help us producing more products with a stable process and high-level safety environment. The 5S are coming from Japan. So the first S is sort. This is a very good word, sort. From the word we can see that the first S is going to do some sorting things, because in the shop floor there are lots of different kinds of materials, tools, machines, etc. everything. And if you go into your office, for example, on your table you have computers, laptops, pens, papers, all kinds of things you need to use. And the sort is going to separate all this kind of things. When we do sorting, we need to eliminate all kinds of unnecessary materials, machines, tools, all of the things. We only need the things we use. For the others, we need to put those away. This means we only keep those related things in our place right for our activities. When doing sorting, we can use different color of tapes. We can have a red tape, and yellow tape, and white tape. Make a square circle on the floor. Use different tape. We put the things which would be scrapped or defects, all of the things we will not use directly in the red area. We put the things that will be used in the white area, and those things or tools or materials that we're not sure we'll use it or not, we just put them in the yellow area. And then we have a team, or we have supervisors to say, hey, if we can use that or not. So from the first step, sorting, we only the things we use in our process. The second S is setting order, which means from the first step we have already sorted the things we need, and in this step we just need to set or put those things in order. We need to put the things we need in the right place and with the right volume and with the right container. All this setting order should be rely on the actual need for the process. For example, we'll mark the shelves or mark the tools and put the tools and mark the shelves so everybody can easily to find the they want. So we don't. So we not waste our time to looking for something that will be used. The third S is cleaning. This one is easy to understand that we need to clean the shop floor, clean the work table, clean the areas that you are working in. Clean is really important to maintain a stable process. And clean also means we need to check the condition of the machine and tools. The fourth S is standardize. Standardize is really important after we already implement the first three S: sorting, set in order, cleaning. To maintain the three S, the outcome of 3S, we need to set up a standard. So every operator in the area should be following the standard, should be doing the same thing with the same standard. In this case, we can maintain a stable and reliable process. We need to decide the responsibilities of all the operators, because for all of the areas, the machines, the tools, the materials, all of the things need to be managed, or to be a person or operator to manage, to ensure the area is okay, it's meet the standard, it's clean, set in order. And we should define all different kinds of areas should look like. We should set the standard of cleaning and set the different standard of how we do cleaning, and set the standard of how often should be audited for a certain kind of area. The things do not work if we don't have a plan, if we don't have a standard. The fifth S is sustainability. So everyone should know that 5S is the daily work of everyone. 5S is part of our work. 5S is part of our daily work. As a manager or supervisor, you should be auditing all of the areas that you in charge. Make sure the things are going through. Things or the operators, they are all following the standard you have set. And if you see something wrong, you need to think about why, and you need to improve, and you need to look into that. And so in this case, you can keep everything running good. And you need to communicate with the operators, with the people, that how they think, if they have any new ideas, if they have ideas, really good ideas to improve the current status, and then we look into improve and go to a high level standard. And this is the briefly introduction of 5S. And in the future, you explain more about this. And thank you. If you have any questions, please text me and we'll talk about more later. Thank you.